Hey guys, so today we have 3 exercises that's gonna get your back looking more defined, bigger, and stronger. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with the renegade row. Now this exercise is great because it's gonna give us an opportunity to find out of any kind of muscle imbalances that we have in our body. So when you're rowing, you find that it's harder to row on one side than the other. You have a muscle imbalance, and it's time to correct that. Because this exercise requires a lot of stability and body control, and to maintain those two things, our core has to be activated. Now for the triceps, the fact that we have our arms straight to maintain us in that push-up position, that means our triceps are contracted. When contraction happens, we have tension. When tension happens, we have potential for muscle damage, which means potential for more muscle growth in the future. When performing this exercise, get into that press-up position. Keep your neck and back all in one line. Keep that core tight. As you're rowing with that one arm, bend at the elbow, keep that shoulder down, and bring that shoulder blade back as far as you can. Now, on the opposite side with that other arm, you want to press down as much as possible because that arm is going to be holding you up the entire time, and that one arm holding you up is where the tricep gains are happening, by the way. And if the press-up position is difficult for you, you can go on your knees to do this exercise. Just make sure you follow the same protocols as the regular press-up position. The next lift is going to be the chest-supported row. When you're doing this exercise, keep that back and neck all in one line. Keep those feet firm on the ground. Keep that weight out in front of you when your arms are straight. Keep those shoulders down to increase the range of motion, and then bend at the elbows. And as you're bending, you want to bring those shoulder blades together to the point where they're basically touching. When it comes to how high the incline bench should be, I usually do 45 degrees. Don't go too low because when your arms are straight out, if you go too low, the weights might be touching the floor, and we don't want that. But just make sure that you're comfortable though. Next, we have the chest-supported barbell row. Now this exercise primarily works the upper back because we have our elbows flared out, as opposed to the previous one where we had our elbows tucked in, which primarily targets the lat. Like the previous lift, keep that neck and back all aligned, feet firm on the ground, and keep those shoulders down to increase that range of motion. And when you're rowing for this exercise, you want to bring the bar all the way up to where it touches the bench as well. And if you're getting value out of this video, please subscribe, turn on that bell, and leave a comment down below, because here on this channel, we try to empower people at home and nutrition and at the gym with the goal of building muscle. So if you like that, again, please subscribe, and always remember to make mirrors your canvas, weights your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished.